Finally got the first load of bits turn up from a car. Chunky time. Look at the size of those. Old Chrysler. Yeah, that's happening. That's safe, apparently. We'll find out soon. Isolator bushes, top mounts. Common problem on the old 300 apparently. Got ourselves some agricultural machinery pieces. Size of them. Imagine getting cracked around the canister with that. Knock you clean out. Set of Mintex, set of Brembo to the front. What else we got up in here? D bushes, sway bar drop links. The old Chrysler thinks it's his birthday. It's already got cracking up in here. Many things we have to take off. Many. Yeah. It's kind of holding up well, my old pallet chocks. Good enough. Don't seem like it's going to fall down anytime soon. Touch wood. Sway bar bushings. Apparently, these are for a Ford. Happy time. Happy time. Naughty. What's this then? It's going to be a lot of this on my brother's channel, EPC.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. There's going to be a lot of mods and all sorts of stuff happening to the old vet. She's pretty. She will be. Guess who's doing all the work?
You!
Me! I buy and sell. I'm the Ed China of this situation. He's the Michael Brewer.
He's the
Got my new Mintexes on. Brembos are in. Got the pistons greased up with some copper grease. So no squeakings. They just push in. You can do it with your fingers if you're man enough. So I've got the D bushes on. They were pretty easy. There's two 15mm bolts, one up there, one under there. This heat cover, shield, whatever it is. This little 8mm bolt or 10mm bolt goes in there. You can just bend it out of the way. These are actually really easy. The bushes come apart. What wasn't easy was actual drop link. They just wouldn't undo. I had to cut it. Just had to cut it off. Rotten old thing. But new ones there, new bolts, so it's no drama. 21mm bolts to take those off. And these ones as well, I've got a little groove there, so you can put a spanner to stop them from twisting, which was the issue I had with this one, because there's nothing on there. You can see this scorn up where we're trying to get grips on it. It just wouldn't give, so I had to get the old hacksaw out and cut her off. But all in all, these bushes were a piece of cake because they split. And there's actually a marker here where you can't push it any further, so that's quite handy. That easy. If the bolts weren't rotten, that would have been easy. No word of a lie. Once the car's up in the air, this is probably like a 20-minute, 25-minute job, if that. The new ones on there, much easier, as they got a little groove for a spanner. It's just so much easier. And for some reason these new ones are a 22mm bolt, not a 21, but makes no difference. Yeah, so with the spanner on there, it makes it a hell of a lot easier. 18mm spanner on the little slots, so you don't end up having dramas like that, having to cut the old one off. Proper mission that was, cutting through that. So that hasn't even got a Allen key or anything on the end to lock it in place. Must be like a cheap, nasty aftermarket shitter or something, I don't know. But either way, wasn't enjoyable. Nice new ones though. So it's the drop links done, D-bush is done. Disc and pairs. New control arm time. So there's a 18mm bolt there, and I don't know what size the one is on the back. Whatever size that one is, but I'll just use a set of adjustables. So get that out. Then there is a 22mm bolt on the bottom of the hub. You gotta take that off. once I got that one out, it should slide out. New hardware on my new arm. These are sided, which I've recently found out. Oh, baby. So yeah, piece of cake really. New control arms on, tightened up, nice new bush. Ball joint bush at the bottom. This old one here was a pig to split. I ended up having to jack the car up off of its stands to break that ball joint. Absolute nightmare. See this? I don't know if you can see it. But there, look. Joyous. Yeah. Ended up jacking it up, jacking the entire car off at that point, and then just clouting the shit out of it with Big Bertha. Big Bertha saved the day. Yeah, pretty straightforward really. Like I said, it was 18mm on this end. I used adjustable on that side because I didn't have a spanner that fitted it. It worked fine. And then the ball joint I think was a 22mm. So what I did was I cracked this, took this all the way off, and then cracked this and took this out, and then got a jack because this just would not split. I tried chisels, just hammer timing it, a bit of clobbering action, still wouldn't split. So what I did was I put the jack underneath it, jacked the entire car up, probably about 6 inches off of my redneck chocks, and then twatted it. And this popped out, car fell down, happy days. One way to do it I guess, but it's on there. Got the other side to do now. So yeah, done. Good little afternoon really. Done my D-bush, done sway bar, done control arm, and looks like I did some pads.